Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a time lapse for you guys of cleaning my patio. It's actually been very neglected, if that's a word, for the past year and a half or so. A lot of vegetation, grass, mold has grown on top of it. I've admit should have probably been taking better care of it the last couple of years, but due to various reasons, and especially laziness, I guess, it just got out of control. So this is just a quick video, actually part one of me cleaning my patio. And then later this week I'm going to be sealing it in with the polymeric sand to kind of prevent other vegetation from growing on top of it. This video took a while, about 3.5 hours in total. It's definitely time consuming, but I think the end result's worth it. Unfortunately, my phone did die towards the end, so I don't have the last few minutes of cleaning up, but hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned for part two. If you like the video or have any questions, feel free to post your comments and on the video, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to